Hello students, today we are going to start MCQ questions which are important for upcoming RGPU examinations. So first question is, the three important class of transformation method available for continuous time system are. Answer is Fourier series, Fourier transform, Laplace transform. Second, the representation of signal over certain interval of time in term of the linear combination of orthogonal signal is known as. Right answer, Fourier series. Third, the three important class of Fourier series method are. Right answers, trigonometric form, cosine form, exponential form. Fourth, Fourier series applies only to blank signal. Right answer is periodic signal. Fifth, the condition to be satisfied for Fourier series of function to exist are called condition. Right answer is Dirichlet's condition. Next, the Dirichlet's condition are the blank condition but not the blank condition for the existence of Fourier series. Six, right answer is sufficient and necessary. Next, the sum of two sinusoidals is periodic provided that their frequency are blank of fundamental frequencies. Right answer is integral multiples. Next, the infinite series of sine and cosine term of frequency 0, omega naught to omega naught dash dash k omega naught is known as form of Fourier series. 8. Right answer is trigonometric. Next, the net area of sinusoidal over complete period are blank. Right answer is 0. Next, the Fourier series expansion of periodic signal is. Right answer is unique. Next, if xt has even symmetric are also called blank symmetry, then only blank are to be evaluated. Right answer is mirror a naught and an. Next, if xt has odd symmetry also called blank symmetry, then only blank is to be evaluated. Right answer is rotation and bn. Next, the for an even function xt equal to and blank and for an odd function xt equal to 13. Right answer is x minus t and minus x minus t. Next, the Fourier series expansion of an blank periodic function contains only cosine term and constant. 14. Right answer is even. Next, the Fourier series expansion of an blank periodic function contains only sine terms. Right answer is odd. 16. The even function show the mirror symmetry with the respect to the blank axis. Right answer is vertical. 7. Next, the Fourier series expansion of periodic signal having symmetric content odd harmonic only. Right answer is half wave. Next, quarter wave symmetric is combination of symmetric and blank or blank symmetric. Right answer is half wave and odd even. Quarter wave symmetric is the combination of half wave symmetric and odd or even symmetric. Next, the cosine form is also called the blank form of blank form. Right answer is harmonic and polar. The cosine form is also called harmonic form or polar form. Next, the blank Fourier series is most widely used Fourier series. Right answer is exponential. Now we are discussing multiple choice questions. First question, Fourier series is applied to. Right answer is A, only periodic signal. Fourier series is applied to only for periodic signals. Second, for the existence of Fourier series, declared conditions are as. Second, right answer is B, sufficient. Third, the net area of sinusoids over complete period are given by. Right answer is C, 0. Next, even symmetry is also known as. Right answer is C, full symmetry. Next, in the trigonometric Fourier series, representation of signal A naught or A naught is. Right answer is B, average value. Next, the trigonometric Fourier series representation of even function will consist of. Right answer is A, cosine term only. Next, the trigonometric Fourier series representation of an odd function will consist of. 7. Right answer is B, sine terms only. Next, the Fourier coefficient an is 0 for blank function. Right answer is B, odd function. Next, the series coefficient bn is 0 for blank function. Right answer is A, even. Next, the trigonometric Fourier series representation of function with half wave symmetric will consist of, right answer is C, odd harmonics. Next, the most widely used Fourier series is known as, right answer is C, exponential series. Next, a trigonometric Fourier series consists of, right answer is A, one-sided spectrum. Next, exponential Fourier series consists of, right answer is B, a two-sided spectrum. Next, the Fourier series spectrum of periodic signal will be, right answer is B, discrete. Next, the frequency spectrum of aperiodic signal will be, right answer is A, continuous. Next, the amplitude spectrum of exponential Fourier series is blank about vertical axis. Right answer is A, symmetrical. Next, the phase spectrum of exponential Fourier series is blank about vertical axis. Right answer is B, antisymmetrical. Next, the time domain representation of signal graphically is known as, right answer is A, waveform. Next, the frequency domain representation of signal graphically is known as, right answer is B, spectrum. Next, the cosine Fourier series is known as, right answer is C, both A and B, polar and harmonic. So students, thanks for watching.